Honorable House Chair, His Excellency President João Lourenço of the Republic of Angola has accepted my invitation to undertake a state visit to South Africa later this year. The objective of the visit is to further strengthen cooperation between our two countries in various areas, political, economic, security, and social areas as well. The agenda for the meeting between the two heads of state is currently being developed. It is envisaged that various ministers will assist the two heads of state in preparing for the visit. Within this context, ministers will have an opportunity to reflect on safety and security matters, including the trade and transport of illegal substances between the two countries. They would then be able to present a report and recommendations to the heads of state during President Lourenço's state visit to South Africa later this year in December. I thank you, Honorable House Chair.